Model, 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 1.6 Cdti clutch needs repairing replacing no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 189,033. MOT, the 17th of October 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The clutch will need replacing as the pedal does not return and do what it is supposed to do. Engine is perfect, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HP